Let's clear this overgrowth first. On it. I'll get the tools.
I'll secure the area. This part looks salvageable.
Good. Let's get to work.
This old rust bucket's tougher than it looks. Keep at it. Treasure's gotta be inside. Sparks are flying. Must be close. Or at least some cold beers.
Let's get her hooked up and moving. Copy that. Cable's tight. Okay, lifting now. Looking good. She's clear. All right, secure the chain. All right, let's get prepped. Frame solid. Rust is deep. We need the plasma cutter. Good. Grab the torches. I'll prep the chassis. On it. The new panels are in. Let's get to it. This old girl's getting a festive facelift. Drill's ready for the next round. All right, team, let's get these logs off the bus. Start from the rear. Copy that. Pry bars in, lifting now. It's moving. Watch the swing. All right, that section's secure. Go ahead with the cut. Copy that. Starting the cut now. This rust is thick. Need to go deeper. Yeah, watch for sparks. I'll hit the frame. Good. Let's check the wheel wells after. Will do. Sanding this rusted panel to prep for the new wheels. Now, got to clean this wheel before it goes on. Wiping off the grime. Almost ready. All right, mounting it now. This will hold. What's this now? Hand me that bracket for this side panel. Got it. Here you go. Thanks. Now let's align the front. Okay, checking the alignment now. Looks good. Secure it. This one's ready. Hold the frame steady. Got it. Go ahead. Okay, it's set. Secure that side. Almost done. Last one. Looks good. Next row. This is the last one. All right, let's get it bolted. Securing it now. Perfect. The interior looks awesome and beautiful. Great work. All right, engine time. Grabbing the wrench. Got it. I'll finish the primer. Bolts are tight. This should hold. Good. Looks full now. This side's looking good. How's the grill? Corrosion was bad. Almost done here. I'll grab the wrench for the bumper bolts. Sounds good. I'll finish this wipe. All right, let's get this wheel off. Right, I'll get the jack. Careful with the torque. The bus is up. Looks like the brakes are fine. Okay, tighten it up. All right, that should do it. Let's fire her up. Agreed. Let's get her on the road. Safe Trinidad.